PLC Network here at CES 2023. Once again, we're in the Z-Wave booth, and we are standing in front of MCOHome's display. This is Christine here. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
And you are a celebrity. We've spoken to you in the past before. Everybody remembers Christine. She's an awesome individual with some amazing products from MCOHome behind us, and a lot of products. And not just here, we actually have some stuff on the other side to look at as well that's pretty exciting with some occupancy sensors, which, you know, I'm just throwing that out there now because I'm excited about it. Functional, we'll just put that in. But first, we're going to talk about some of the stuff behind us here. What are we looking at here? What's new coming from MCOHome?
This one is for our new release US-based thermostat with battery power and 24 volt, and can control the heat pump and regular AC system in US. And also this one is for US company, US thermostat as well. And it can control the electrical heating, the base floor, and it's with the new design. And also this is for the infrared split AC control system. And also this one is the multi-relay controller, can up to 8 output or 8 input. And this one is we have different kind of the screen panels based on Android system. And this is 4-inch, 8-inch, 10-inch, and it can be a Z-Wave gateway, and it can be a thermostat control, and also it can be developed as a main controller. So it is all-in-one integrated product.
So that's awesome. So you can walk up to this and control your thermostat with it, and then switch it over and control your Z-Wave devices as well?
Yeah, of course.
I like that. So just one screen for everything. And I mean, it's just a smaller version of pretty much this. You know, you're just swiping between everything.
Yeah.
It's very functional. I like that. The functionality of this, now you said, you know, it's not just Z-Wave.
Yeah.
You also support Zigbee and other things
Zigbee,
as well.
Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, HDMI speaker, microphone, whatever. We can do different kinds of hardware customization for the customers.
Yep, that's. I'd made a joke earlier about Z-Wave and Matter sitting in the tree. It's coming. Okay, so now we get to talk about some of the stuff that's on the other side of this, which is pretty exciting. Let's go take a look at that. All right, so what we're standing in front of now is something interesting, and the reason why I nerd out to occupancy sensors, when they first started coming out, they weren't much more than just a motion sensor.
Yeah.
They just offered some little things, you know, but it still operated the same way in terms of if you sit still too long, your lights are going to go out and everything. Now, what you have here is a little bit more stronger than that. It's doing a lot more.
Yeah.
So what makes this occupancy sensor so exciting?
This is our new release sensors with microwave radar technology, and it supports the wall mounting and the ceiling mounting, and the angle can be adjusted. It can detect the human motion, the heart beating, the pulse, and the breath, etc.
See, that's exciting.
Yeah.
So now it knows you're there. So even if you're super quiet and you're hiding behind your desk, you know, I'm not going to have my office lights go out on me anymore. So this is cool. So it's just a normal Z-Wave device that you can integrate this into any home.
Yeah, sure.
And so this, the design of this, so this is ceiling base, ceiling mount.
Yeah.
You just pop a hole and just stick it in there just like you would like a ceiling mounted light? Or
ceiling mounting, and you can install like a bulb. It's very easy installation.
Perfect. And so you got battery CO2 sensors as well.
Yeah.
And all these others, you got these neat switches.
This is the metal mechanical switches.
I like it. And they're not too loud either, which is really nice. And it's one thing I love about Z-Wave switches, or any kind of smart switch in general. When you're using these decor switches, they can get really loud and clunky.
Oh, really?
You know, especially
Yeah.
really loud. You know, sometimes you get those nice snaps out of them because like the old switches, you don't have that soft pull back and forth.
Yeah.
With any of these smart switches, they're so silent. You know, but you still get that nice mechanical switch in there, and it's definitely something to really look for in a Z-Wave device or any kind of smart home device like this. So it's nice to see this. But I also like the fact that it's just a very modern look.
Yeah.
I mean, it looks clean. It looks nice. The lights that are coming from it, they're not really intrusive or anything. And at the same time, I love your combinations here. And so this one's just a bigger switch. Is it just?
It's for 1 gain and 2 gain and 3 gain, and also we can do dimmer and shutter.
Perfect. Okay, and then of course you have your touch-sensitive switches as well.
The touch switch for different kinds of countries installation standard.
Perfect. So the big question, now you have so many sensors going on, so many things going on this year. It's really nice. The integration with all the different networks or the ecosystems. What are we looking at in terms of availability? Like what's on the market now? What's coming soon?
Actually, all of them are already in the market now.
Oh, what are we doing the interview for? Is you just go
Yeah.
get it, go buy it, go to
Go
MCO
buy
Home. This is great. So MCO Home already has all of these online, and of course you can get it from MCOHome.com, if I
Yeah,
remember right,
yeah.
and Amazon.
The
right?
Amazon, yeah.
Yeah, you're all over Amazon. The last I looked, everything. Wow. No, so I can buy the occupancy sensors right now.
Yeah, right
And you
now.
could too. So perfect. I need some of those because the ones I had, they weren't working so well. And maybe at the office we'll convince them to do the switch over to Z-Wave one so we can use yours as well. I kind of threw that in there as a hint. But this is great. It's available. How about affordability?
Affordability.
Price points.
Price affordable.
Price affordable. That is the perfect answer. I absolutely love it. So it's affordable. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Hey, it's good. It's affordable. It's at MCO.com. If you want more pricing information of all of this stuff, I mean, that is a lot of stuff we just went over. So, so it's a lot of prices to try to memorize. Go to MCOHome.com, go to Amazon, see what these cost. They're coming from MCOHome, so I'm sure they're very, very competitive, very affordable, and something that you can integrate into your homes right now. So this is exciting, and especially, again, we've been speaking a lot about Matter here at the booth, and it's nice to see everything just playing ball and interacting with each other, and this is the future of smart home, and this is going to be a good year. Can't wait to see what happens.
Yeah.
If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, and or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.